Hey guys, and welcome to Net's Foodie Vlogs for all our teen models. This is all my food tips, healthy food tips that I like to share with you all. As you know, with modeling, healthy tips you need. I've been modeling for several years. I won't say how many. I won't care to say that, but basically one of the most important things that I ever got taught at London College of Fashion was nutrition, the importance of nutrition, and in between your castings, your go-sees, and everything else. So this is what we have today. Happy Sundays, by the way. And the first food vlog here is a really healthy avocado. This actually looks a bit like a mashed guacamole, but actually it isn't. This is British avocados from Waitrose. Actually, these are Waitrose, I believe. I've been told. Baby avocados. You can get them from Waitrose. Very, very healthy. The organic type are nicer, but just baby avocados are quite nice. We recommend organic types. And what we do is we take out all the pulp, mash them down, as you can see, and basically I tend to keep the seed in, as you can see there. I love it because I'll tell you a little secret. What doctors don't actually tell you is that there's a lot of goodness inside the seed when you actually give it a bang with a mallet and get to the actual root of the seed inside. It's really, really healthy for the body. But anyway, that's just a little extra tip from me to you. We love all you teen models. Anyway, so this is just the first vlog, and enjoy. There'll be many more to come. And I hope you guys are making good use of these. I will put the ingredients of what we've mashed this down with this time underneath, but they're full of gorgeous seeds, as you can see here. Anyway, enjoy your Sunday and have a great start to the week. Bye!